Lavanya from Lexis and company working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about Section 1 of Transfer of Property Act, which is transfer by the ostensible owner. Now, what is transfer by ostensible owner? The person transferring the property must be an ostensible owner. The actual owner's consent, either express or implied, is required. The ostensible owner must receive some form of compensation in exchange of the property. The transferee must exercise reasonable caution regarding the transferor's property over the act. It is important to note that this section applies only to the transfer of immovable and not movable property. An exception to this is nemo datko not habits rule, which means that a person cannot transfer a better title to the property than what he possesses. Section 41 is widely accepted exception to this principle. Can the property be transferred to an ostensible owner? The term ostensible refers to something that appears to be real or true but is not on the face of it. Examples of non-ostensible owner is mortgages having minor interest in the property, or co-sharers who occupy jointly shared family property. Now, rights and limitations of ostensible owner. It is not although the real owner but may act as a true owner during the transactions. Now, protection for the third-party purchasers. This rule can overturn if the person who allowed the ostensible owner can prove that the third party had direct notice or constructive notice to the genuine title. Now, what is Benami transaction, which is prohibited under 1988 Act, addresses situations where property is transferred in someone else's name, known as a Benami transaction. The person holding the property according to this becomes the real owner. Now, examples to Section 41. When the person in whose name the property is held is co-partner of the Hindu undivided family. When the person in whose name the property is held is a trustee and holds fiduciary position. Now, facts for determining the ostensible owner, which was given by the Supreme Court case in Jay Dalal Podar versus B.B. Hazara 1974. Who paid the price to purchase the property? Who held the possession of the property? What was the motive behind acquiring the property? And who was the custody of the title deeds? Now, requirements is that individual must be the ostensible owner and they must hold the property with express and implied consent of the real owner. Then of proof here rests on the transferee to demonstrate that they were dealing with the ostensible owner.